A warm greeting. Today is Saturday, December 9, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. In this video, I would like to talk about an event of strong waves and swell that is being reported through the waters of the Caribbean Sea and the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and the region of the Lesser Antilles. These dangerous conditions along the beaches and in the sea will continue to affect the region over the next 7 days. They are due to a very strong high-pressure system currently located over the southwest of the North Atlantic. This high-pressure system is generating strong winds blowing from the east-northeast, which will continue over the eastern half of the Caribbean throughout the week. It is important for residents and visitors of the Lesser Antilles, the Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and Jamaica to avoid visiting beaches and navigating in small boats. In the next animation, you can see the projection of wind gusts anticipated over the next 7 days across the Caribbean Sea. Note that the European model is forecasting winds between 35 to 45 miles per hour or between 50 to 65 kilometers per hour over much of the eastern and central Caribbean. It will affect the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and the Lesser Antilles. Windy conditions will persist over the next 7 days. These winds will be responsible for maintaining strong waves across the local region. Here, we see the wave projection according to the European model. You can see that the area south of Jamaica, Haiti, the Dominican Republic, and the northern parts of Colombia and Panama is forecasted to have waves between 8 to 10 feet or 2 to 3 meters throughout the week. Also, note that during the weekend, strong waves will be affecting the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, and the islands in the central and northern Lesser Antilles, with waves between 10 to 11 feet or 3 to 4 meters throughout the week. See that from Tuesday and Wednesday onwards, the waves will increase again and affect the northern and central parts of the Lesser Antilles with waves that may exceed 10 feet in height. Definitely dangerous conditions at sea and along the coast. Caution should be exercised with small boats, and it is preferable not to leave ports over the next few days. Also, for swimmers, it is urged to avoid visiting beaches, especially to the north and east of Puerto Rico, the Dominican Republic, and the beaches of the Lesser Antilles. Similarly, try to avoid beaches in the east and south of Jamaica. In the following graph, see how it is forecasted that the waves will continue very high through the Atlantic waters, affecting the northern coast of the Greater and Lesser Antilles. It will be very strong throughout the week. Between Thursday and Friday, they may increase again, and on average, the waves will be between 8 to 10 feet or 2 to 4 meters in height. Also, note that through the Caribbean Sea, the waves will be between 6 to 8 feet or 2 to 3 meters in height. In summary, as shown in the forecast from the National Weather Service in San Juan, windy conditions are expected with winds of up to 20 or 25 miles per hour affecting the eastern Caribbean throughout the week. This will cause dangerous marine currents along the beaches to the east and north of the Lesser Antilles, Puerto Rico, and the Dominican Republic. Waves between 7 to 10 feet in height in the waters of the Caribbean Sea and towards the north of the Caribbean. Please take the necessary precautions. Well, that would be all. With this, I bid farewell. Until the next video. Goodbye.